Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, let us learn to overhaul and inspect the shackle, leaf spring, front and rear suspension. By the end of this video, you will be able to remove and dismantle the components of the torsion bar, assemble the torsion bar and fit it on the vehicle, remove the coil spring, assemble the coil spring and fit it on the vehicle, overhaul the shackle and overhaul the leaf spring. Let us collect the tools, accessories, machines and material required to do this. Trainee's toolkit 1, jack 1, hammer or sludge 1, vehicle 1, leaf spring as required, shackle as required, cotton waste as required, grease as required, oil as required and rubber bushes as required. Overhauling of the torsion bar suspension. Park the vehicle on smooth level ground. Chock the rear wheels. Jack up the front wheels and place hoses below the frame. Remove the split pin and loosen the nut of the steering arm at both the ends. Remove the wheels. Support the lower suspension arm. Disconnect the shock absorber from the lower arm. Remove the rear end of the eye-bolt extension arm with rubber bushes from the frame and the suspension arm. Remove support from the arm. Mark the position of the torsion bar in relation to the lower arm with a chalk or pencil. Mark the position of the torsion bar in relation to the rear bracket. Take out the set screws from the retaining plate. Remove the retaining plate from the rear end of the torsion bar. Remove the nut and bolt securing the rear end adjusting arm or the vernier bracket to the frame. Remove the torsion bar with the help of the special tool. Remove the left hand and right hand torsion bars. Ensure that the right and left hand side torsion bars are not interchanged. Inspect the serrations at the splined ends and ensure straightness of the torsion bar. If the torsion bars are found defective, replace with new ones. Assemble the torsion bar. Assemble the torsion bar by keeping the locking nut slack for necessary adjustments. Fit the wheels, remove the horse, lower the jack and take it out. Adjust the suspension height by adjusting the vernier bracket by turning the vernier bolt at the rear end. Rotate the vernier bracket up and down as per the manufacturer's recommendation. Turning the vernier bracket upward reduces the height of the vehicle. Check and adjust the suspension height as per the manufacturer's recommendations. Tighten the bracket bolts. Overhauling of the coil spring type suspension system. The coil spring is fitted in between the arms. Chock the rear wheels. Loosen the wheel nuts by 1 or 2 threads. Jack up the front suspension and place hoses under the side member of the chassis so that there is no load on the front wheels. Release the jack and take it out. Remove the grease cup and cotter pin. Remove the castle nut and adjusting nuts. Remove the washer. Remove the outer bearing. Remove the brake drum. Remove the inner bearing along with the grease retainer. Remove the brake assembly from the steering knuckle or stub axle. Remove the gasket. Loosen the upper arm nuts and take out the nut and the inner shaft. Remove the top of the shock absorber foundation bolt. Remove the bottom of the shock absorber foundation bolt. Remove the upper arm ball joint. Remove the lower arm with the lower arm ball joint. Take out the spindle. Remove the stabilizer rod. Slowly take out the packing under the lower arm. Take out the coil spring along with the shock absorber and spring seating. Clean all the parts with kerosene. Check the ball joints, arm links and spring seating stabilizer. If necessary, replace the worn out parts. In this video, we have discussed how to remove and dismantle the components of the torsion bar. Assemble the torsion bar and fit it on the vehicle. Remove the coil spring. Assemble the coil spring and fit it on the vehicle. Overhaul the shackle. Overhaul the leaf spring. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.